Hello each and everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, Chef Will is gonna make some pasta today, guys. This is just a quick recipe I'm throwing together, guys. Really simple pasta recipe. So I got some shrimp right here and some veggies that I cut up. And that's just some carrots, a julienne, and peppers, tomato, some butternut squash, and just want to show you my shrimp. I just had some Old Bay to this, oregano, and some black pepper. And I also have a little bit of crushed chili inside of it, fresh garlic, and I'm gonna add some olive oil to this. Really simple for dinner tonight, guys. All right. I'm just gonna roast off these veggies in the oven. As you can see, I have some nice Roma tomatoes right there that I cut in wedges. Just gonna toss this together with some oregano. I also put a little bit of this herb in there. It's one of my collections of pasta herb spices. It has a little bit of kick to it. Has rosemary, has oregano, a bunch of spice in there, chili. So we're just gonna roast these off in the oven. I love butternut squash inside my pasta. I just think it's really good. Tastes really good. So guys, I'm gonna roast these at high temperature with my shrimp. Everything coming out at the same time. I got my water going on over there for the pasta. So let's see if I can put this meal together in 15 minutes. All right. Just marinate the shrimp right here. As I said, guys, this is just something I'm throwing together for dinner real quick. I'm just gonna get some paprika, add some paprika to that to get some nice color. All right. All right, so I had some paprika to this. Beautiful color, eh? All right. So guys, now we're ready to cook. All right. So this is how I make my quick dinner, guys. Let's get this right on the pan right here. So I spread the shrimp out. It smells so good. I also have some fresh lime juice in here as well. So guys, as I said, the shrimp, it's really simple. Some Old Bay spice, a pinch of Cajun in there as well. Fresh garlic, lime juice, oregano, and you're good to go. All right. So my oven is already cranked up, so I'm just gonna throw this right inside. And we get back, we're gonna get the pasta going. All right. So the water is going right now. Salt is in there. Salt is very important in your pasta water. And this is the pasta that I'm using. Just want to show you guys. All right. It's the egg pasta with the spinach. So guys, I also have the shell from the shrimp. I make a little bit of stock from it right here. I'm gonna use some of that stock inside my pasta. All right. So I'll show you guys the way I do that. I'm just gonna remove all the shells right now. Give it some nice flavor. All right. Remove all that shell from my stock. To make a beautiful sauce from that, guys. All right. Pasta down. These are beautiful. Spinach and egg pasta. Take a look at these guys, they are beautiful. I just pulled them out the oven. So guys, the pasta is done. I'm just gonna put a piece of butter right in this wok right here. Alright, and I'm gonna add my pasta right inside here with all the veggies. Squeeze up this pan nicely. We're just gonna transfer everything right over. Pasta nice and al dente. Beautiful. Drain all the water from this. That's what I'm talking about. Nice and sizzling. Should be okay if you get a little bit of the pasta water in there. So this pasta, guys, I won't be adding any tomato sauce or any cream sauce to this. Right? Some of this nice stock right inside. From the shrimp. Beautiful flavor. It smells so good. Just gonna add a bit of herbs to this, not too much. A little bit of spice. Some fresh Parmesan cheese. Give this a nice stir. Guys, next thing I'm gonna add some olive oil. And just put it in the wok. It's a little bit easier to stir than in the pot. Just gonna transfer all the shrimp and veggies right to this pasta. Let all the flavor marry. Beautiful. Guys, the aroma from this right now. Oh. Smells so good. Put that on low right now. Give it a nice stir. Beautiful. And your pasta is done. Beautiful. Shut that off. I'm just gonna add some more Parmesan cheese to that. Some more Parmigiano on that, guys. Ooh. I have a little bit of green onion. Top that off. All right. So check out that amazing pasta, guys. Really simple and easy to make. Juicy shrimp inside. Guys, I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. Gotta dive in. All right. So I'm just gonna try a bit of it, guys. That looks so good and smells so good. It has to taste good. Oh my God. This is so good. Wow. The shrimp is perfectly cooked. Pasta is al dente. Wow. No, that's amazing pasta and shrimp right there. All right, I gotta go. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe. All right, and don't forget to hit the like button again and again. All right, catch you in the next one.